Hello viewers, welcome once again to Lily Speak and Write Authentic French. Okay, like you know, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video also. Okay? Alright, last time we learned how to write date in French. So today we'll be learning something different. We'll be learning ordinal numbers. Okay? Ordinal numbers. Okay. Ordinal numbers. Les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres ordinaux, meaning ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Okay, what are ordinal numbers? Like you know, ordinal numbers are numbers that are used to give position. Okay, or they show the order of things in series. For example, first position, first, has told us that number came first. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. So how do you say that in French? If you're following my video, in one of our videos we have learned how to count 1, 2, 3 to trillions. So hence you know it already, it will not be difficult to what? Get used to these ordinal numbers. Alright? Okay, now let's take for instance, first is what in French is premier. Premier. This is for masculine. Then if it's a feminine object you're referring to, you add e to it. Premier. Okay, that is what? First. Okay? Now how do you say second? What is 2 in French? It is what? Deux. So it becomes deuxième. Deuxième. You write your deux, then you add your I-E-N-E with the accent grave. That is a grave accent. Okay? That is what? Second. Then how do you say third? You say troisième. From 3. Troisième. Third. Fourth. Quatrième. Quatrième. That is what? Fourth. Fifth. Cinquième. Cinquième. 5. Okay. Cinquième from cinq, which is 5. And so on and so forth. Okay, let's take one more. Let's say 12. 12 is what in French? Douze. So it becomes douzième. That is what? 12th. The 12th position. Okay? Till you get to the last position. How do you say that? You say dernier. Okay? Dernier. Okay? For masculine object, then feminine you add e at the end. That is what dernier. Okay? Dernier. Okay? Alright. Now we'll give you an assignment. Okay? That is all for ordinal numbers. Okay? Let's take that again. Premier. Premier. First. Deuxième. Second. Troisième. Third. Quatrième. Fourth. Cinquième. Fifth. Douzième. 12th. Dernier. Dernier. Meaning what? Last. Okay? Last. Okay, let's do something. I'll give you an assignment. Moving on. So you're going to do this assignment for me, okay? Devoir. Devoir is what? Your assignment, okay? So you do this assignment. For example, janvier, octobre, mars, juin, November. Okay? Now these are the months, some of the months of the year. We have learned that already, okay? Now I will list out the ordinal numbers and you match it with the corresponding months that fits it. Okay? Let me add another one. Août. Okay? That is August. Huitième. Sixième, which is what, let's do the first one, eighth, okay, the eighth position. So you're going to match huitième to the 8th month of the year, okay? Alright. The next one, onzième. So you look for it and match it, okay? Première. You match it. Troisième. Sixième. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? The last one, dixième. Okay? So you match it for me. It's simple, right? Alright, very good. So send your answers, okay? I will reply you. Now let's go to the next one on board, present tense. See, we are moving, we are progressing. Congratulations to you. Now in French, unlike English, verbs are presented in conjugation. You must conjugate them before you use them, okay? Like, you know, verbs are action words or doing words in a sentence. Okay. Verbs, they change their form in French according to the first person, second person, and third person singular and plural. For example, let's look at some of the verb and their corresponding pronouns in English, okay? And then compare it with that of French. For example, in English, you have this, let's say singular, plural, okay? Now in English, you have first person, you say I, that is the person speaking. For example, I am speaking to you. I, that is first person singular. Then if it is plural, if we are much, it becomes we. We, okay? Then the second person, that is the person spoken to, okay? And what am I speaking to? I am talking to you. I'm speaking to you. So the second person singular is you. Plural is also you. Take note, in French it's going to change. It will not be the same. Then the third person, that is the person that is neither the speaker nor the person spoken to, okay? But the person reporting what has been said by the second person, okay? It can be he. It is what? Say he, she, it. That is what? Third person singular, okay? Pronoun. Then in the plural will become they. Okay? They. Not this. That is what? English. Now let's look at the corresponding verbs, first person, second person, and third person singular and plural pronoun in French. How it looks like. Now, singular, this is for French. Singular and plural. Now, the first person, première personne, you say je m'appelle, my name is, je, okay, je. Then if it is the plural, you say nous, which is we. We is what? Nous. Nous. Then deuxième personne. That's the second person is what? You. Tu. You say tu. Okay? Then the plural is vous. Vous. to take note of something. When you use tu, you're referring to what? One person. And most times you use tu in an informal setting. For example, you're talking to a friend, your classmate, your peer group. But you cannot use tu to address with someone who you do not have a informal relationship with. For example, your boss, you use vous. Those are older than you, okay? Those are not close to you. In a formal setting, you use vous. And the vous is also used to refer to what? Many persons, okay? Instead of using tu, you use vous when you're referring to a group of persons, okay? So, vous is the plural of tu, okay? Tu, vous. This is informal and this is what? Formal at the same time, plural, okay? Alright. Now the third person, singular and plural. Troisième personne. Troisième personne. That's it. Third person, which is what? He, she, it. You have il. This is he. Elle. This is what? She. On. Okay? Then the plural form of it is il. That is they. Okay? Elle is also they. Now note something. This il is referring to plenty boys. It's referring to what? Boys. And this L is referring to girls. Okay? Alright. Eux. Okay? Them. That is what? Them. Eux. That is what? Them. Alright. So let's take it over again. Je, nous, tu, vous, il, elle, on, il, elle, eux. Okay? Alright. These are some of the pronouns in French, the forms in which we use them. Okay? So in our next class, we'll start learning how to use them to make sentences. Okay? And conjugate the corresponding verb. Okay? That will be used alongside with these different pronouns. Okay? Alright, viewers, we have come to the end of our class today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to others. Okay? Bye! Lily speak authentic French. Love you. Bye. Stay safe.